So we've got 2016 Honda HRV in today, in for a replacement remote fob. As you can see, it's the smart key system on this one. So we're going to program this in using the Autel. So yeah, we'll go for Honda, manual selection, and it's a HRV. And it's a smart key. It's not a bladed ignition. There's no ignition bell here. It's push button start. So smart key. It's not got push to turn, push to turn to start. It's literally just push start. So yeah, I got to like put this key into a slot and turn it. It's actually just push button start. So push to start. Press yes once you got all the vehicle details correct. We're going to go on IMO scan. It's going to scan the vehicle. Is the ignition turned on by pressing the start button twice? Seems like it's pressed once. We'll just say no. Press and hold the start button. The ignition is switched on. Please release the engine start button, which we've already done that anyway. So press OK. So that's scanning through the system. There's no faults on the system, which is good to see. It's in green there, no faults. Everything looks normal. There's two keys in the system at the moment. The customer only has one, which is this one here. So they've got a genuine remote, which is this one, and they've ordered off eBay a non-genuine remote, but it is brand new. So it's the original, and this is the replacement. So what we're going to do is go on to add a key guided. And this is going to go for everything. It's going to initialize communication with the immobilizer, check the immobilizer system, read the key number, immobilize security verification, original key programming. So we're going to program the original first, then the new one, then synchronize all the data together, and last step is read the key number again. So we're going to press start. I'm just going to follow it step by step to see what it says. So recognition condition, registration condition. There are no DTCs, which is right. There must be one registered keyless remote, which is this one. One remote that is capable of starting the vehicle must be in the vehicle. The ignition must be turned on, so that's fine. So we're going to take this remote out because it says one key in the that's capable of starting the vehicle to be in the vehicle. So we'll take this one out, take this one back. So yeah, we've got one key in the vehicle, ignition's on, so we can press OK. So it's establishing communication with the immobilizer now. Ignition's still on. It says please turn ignition off. Don't press any pedals, so we're going to just press the start button. Let's turn the ignition off. Place a learnt key in the vehicle and take all of the keys out of the vehicle more than 5 meters away. So as you can see, that's not 5 meters away. So we're just going to move this. As we're getting in the instructions, we can sort of react to them accordingly. So I'm going to move this out of the way. And press OK. Please turn the ignition on. So we're gonna. I always like to use the actual key to turn the ignition on. So hold that button down until we get lights on the dash. Press it again. There we go. Right, so automatically detected that. See, I always like to use the actual remote to press the button because a lot of times the programming aerial is actually on the start button itself. So it's succeeded, it's going through, reading the key number. And the key numbers at the moment are 2, programmed to the car. Original key programming. So this is programmed the original. So that's programmed this original. It says, would you like to learn the next one? So I'm going to press yes. This is the new key program. So we've got 98 seconds to do this. We need to move the original key out of the way. I'm going to pop that over here and get the replacement. Bring this into the vehicle. Place all keys out of the vehicle to more than 5 meters away. All keys. I'm not even reading the instructions myself. So original key is over there, and the new one is there that needs to be programmed because it does say all keys. So we're going to press OK. Place the next key to be learned in the vehicle within 100 seconds. So now we get this one. It's really simple. It's just literally just following the on-screen instructions and doing exactly what it says on the screen. So we've got this replacement that's in the vehicle now. Just going to put that there, and we're going to press. We've done that, so we're going to press OK. So that's adding the key in. Key learning succeeded, so it's added this replacement one in. So I'm going to press OK and finish off the last couple of steps. So please turn the ignition off, don't press any pedals. So just so you can see everything. Pressing the start button, that switch the ignition off. That'll auto detect. And turn the ignition on, don't press any pedals. I think it's a two press, so 1, 2. That turns the ignition on. That's auto detected. And now it says are both keyless access and immobilize indicators turned off. So have a quick look on the dash. There's no warnings for any key issues there. So yep, I think that's programmed in. We can test it after anyway. So we're going to press yes. So then turn the ignition off. That's ignition off. Please turn the ignition on. Don't press any buttons. Press the start button twice. So turn the ignition on. So that's turn the ignition on. Verifying it. Registration is complete. Turn the ignition off. So turn it off again. Check all keyless access remotes to ensure each will start the vehicle. Check all keyless access remotes to make sure they'll unlock the vehicle. Please turn the ignition on. Don't press any pedals. So I'm going to turn the ignition on for now. Please turn the ignition on. Okay, so looks like it's finished. Yep, that's it, it's finished. So we've got all the way down to step 8, and now it says 3 keys in the system. As you can see before, there's 2 keys in the system. Now we've got 3 keys in the system. So I'm going to switch the ignition off. I'm going to unplug the ABD, and then we got to test the remotes. So it might not work because we've got the bonnet open. We'll see if it will. Yep, so that's locked. That's keyless, so obviously when I bring the key near this, it auto unlocks, but I don't know if you can hear it on the camera. Lock, unlock, lock, unlock, and test it starts. So foot on the clutch, push the So start button, and that starts and runs. So lastly, we just need to check the other key, just to make sure we haven't knocked out the customer's original. So that's the that's the new one, and then this is the original. So lock, unlock, that's good. And lastly, ignition, press the ignition and foot on the clutch. That starts and runs as well. So yeah, that's everything done. All in all, it's 10 minutes, doing it steadily. But yeah, the profit on this job, I believe, is around about £120 profit on this job. So not bad at all, really, for 10 minutes work. So yeah, any questions, let us know. We use the Autel IM508 on a training course to show you a lot more, all the different tools and how to use them all as well.